Color's Premiere. So right over here you have your window control. All 4 windows are fully automatic. Right above it you have your mirror control. Right here you have your door handle with lock and unlock. And you have 2 memory seats. And right down here you have the trunk opener with a storage. And you have your Bose speaker. And on the left hand side you have your light control with the fog light. And on the steering wheel you have a leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left hand side you have your cruise control with the heated steering wheel and the collision alert. You also have the turning signals. And on the right hand side you have your controls for the screen and the voice command. Help.
You can say phone, audio, navigation, weather, or OnStar. To call a number quicker, speech session ended.
And on the screen you have your speed, trip A, B, fuel information, oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy, timer, and battery voltage. You also have transmission fluid and a blank page. You also have your audio, phone, navigation, and options. And on the center console you have your 8-inch color display, and right behind it you have a padded storage with a USB port. Right down here is the controls. On the left hand side you have your hazards. Right down here you have your climate control with heated and ventilated seats. Right down here you have 2 USB ports, auxiliary cord, and a 12-volt power outlet. You also have a wireless charging. Right behind it you have the 9-speed automatic transmission with manual mode. You also have 2 cup holders right here, and you have your mode selector, the electronic parking brake and the lane keeping assist, and the traction control. And in the center console you have nothing. And on the screen you have your audio, you have your phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you have your navigation, settings, you have time and date, a rear seat reminder, language, valet mode, teen driver, radio, vehicle, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice, display, return to factory settings, and Wi-Fi. You also have weather, text,
OnStar ready. Thank you. Goodbye.
You have rear climate, camera, you have front and rear camera and a bird's eye view. You have traffic and shop. They added the new feature on the mirror. The dome light turns into camera, which is separate from the backup camera. They have 2 different cameras back there. And on the window sticker, the standard vehicle price is $44,450. They added the dual skyscape sunroof, the pearl white tricoat, the trailing equipment, the driver confident package, departure warning, which all comes up to $48,915. Here's the final assembly. 5-star safety ratings. And the fuel economy. And the engine on this car is a 3.6 liter V6 making 305 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, making 18 in the city and 27 on the highway. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.